What's up, guys? Nick from the Average Biker Garage back here with another video for you. Today we're gonna start the teardown on the Sporty. I'm still waiting on the correct parts for the brakes for the shovel head, so that's still on my lift. So while I'm waiting for those to come in, I figured I'd start by just tearing off a lot of the unnecessary stuff on the Sportster. First thing to go is that fucking windshield. That's got to go. So I'm mainly just going to focus on taking off the tins and that. I'm going to leave the handlebars on until after I get it on the lift, so that way it's easier to move around. But if anyone's looking for a set of chameleon paint job tins for an 82 to 03, I don't know, it's coming off a 2000 Sportster. So if you're looking for some chameleon color change tins, hit me up in the comments and we can make a deal. So, all right, let's do it.
We watch Pedro and Betty while we're working on shit in the garage. You guys should too.
Alright guys, I originally ended this video and had the motor still in, handlebars still on, a bunch of stuff still left on the bike. And I had a buddy come over and we were hanging out in the garage and just started turning wrenches and bullshitting and ended up taking everything else off the bike. So I didn't have the camera on for that. I decided to just tear the bike down completely because you need to put the hardtail in anyway. And while doing that, I didn't decide to film it because, like I said, I had a buddy over. We were just shooting shit in the garage, and so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here now with the teardown complete, so we can move on to the next step of right about here, cutting it in half and hardtailing it. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you can follow along with the build process on this bike. I am excited and looking forward to it. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and I appreciate you.